Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can transfer the account ownership on Wrike in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So let's head over to your account on Wrike, click into your profile icon in the top left and choose settings here. Navigate to settings on the left hand side under account management. And after that scroll all the way down to get to the account owner settings here. Now guys, before you click into this button here, transfer account ownership, make sure one, that you're the current owner. So check if you see your own username here. And also guys, make sure that your account has at least one regular user or admin, because your account, if you're the owner of the account, can only be transferred to one of these. So if I click into this button here, for example, as you can see, I will have to find an active admin or regular user first by clicking into this button here from that list. Make the given user here on the user type either a regular member or admin, and then you will be given the opportunity to transfer the account, the entire account, to the given user with all its permissions. Wait for the transfer request either to be accepted or to declined, and that's it guys. So that's how you do it. Remember, only regular users and admins can receive these transfer requests for the account ownership. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.